Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I'm going to be doing my 24-hour review of the OnePlus 7 Pro. I picked this up on Friday, and I've been using it for about a day and a half now, and I'm really loving this phone. This thing is beast. This is the 8GB RAM, 256GB storage option from T-Mobile. It is the mirror gray. They didn't have any of the nebula blue, unfortunately, so I did have to go with deep gray, but that's okay. It is a great phone. I don't really mind the color. The gray is still a beautiful phone. Waiting on some more cases from it. I did order the premium accessory bundle from OnePlus since I had some credits from you guys using my referral link when I unboxed my 6T. So I was able to get that for free. I got a charger, a cable, a nylon case, and the the USB-C bullet headphones for this for free. So thank you to those of you who use my referral link to purchase the OnePlus 6T. If you're interested in purchasing the OnePlus 7 Pro, I will also have a referral link that helps out in the description down below. That'll help me be able to purchase more OnePlus accessories in the future and review them at a lower cost to me, as well as saving you guys $10 when you use that referral code below. So if you use the referral code in the description below, you do get a $10 voucher towards accessories for your OnePlus device. So this thing is amazing. Fingerprint sensor is a lot better than it was on the OnePlus 6T. It is way more accurate. Any finger here unlocks right away, no issue whatsoever. We do have face unlock as well. So I have mine set when I go up like that. It unlocks very quickly, even though the camera has to raise up. It doesn't take any time at all. Really not any more noticeable amount of time than the OnePlus 6T, which had the fixed camera on the front. For all screen design, no notch, no teardrop, no cutout, nothing like that. The display I have in 90Hz as well as auto switch for resolution. I'm going to put it in QHD. I meant to go change that back last night, but I forgot. Auto switch does make it so it chooses the resolution based on the app you're using and stuff like that. If it needs to adjust, it can do so. Auto switch or a lower resolution does offer you some battery savings, but other than that, there's really no difference. Using 60Hz over 90Hz will also offer you some battery savings, but I haven't had any battery life issues whatsoever. The battery life on this device has been amazing, and we'll check that out right here. You can see it's been 21 hours since I last charged it, and that was last night. I actually forgot to plug it in last night. I've gotten 3 hours and 12 minutes of screen on usage. It's at 40% right now, but I plugged it in my car to use Android Auto. So this last charge was not a 100% full charge. That's why the screen usage is lower. So I do get about 5 hours of screen on time with this device with the 4000 milliamp hour battery. And battery life really isn't a huge concern for me because if you're using OnePlus's Warp Charger, you get about 50% charge in 20 minutes, and that is a fact. It charges very quickly. I plugged it in, and within a couple minutes I was already up about 5 to 10%. So very noticeable on the speed on the charger. They also offer a car charger for that as well, so if you want to plug it in your car on your way to work, you can top up very quickly. Now 0 to 50 is in about 20 minutes, but the 50 to 100 is going to be a little bit slower because as the battery nears its full charge capacity, the charging rate does have to slow down. But if you're at 0% or you're at 10%, charging the device is going to be very quick, and you'll be able to top off very quickly and get through the rest of the day if you're a heavy user or if you forget to charge your phone or something like that. Now speed on this thing is amazing. No speed issues whatsoever. Very fluent. The Oxygen OS is very smooth along with that 90Hz refresh rate screen. The processor speed, everything, app load times, no multitasking issues whatsoever. Everything just loads right up without incident. As you can see there, YouTube just pops right open, goes right past the load screen. Everything like that is just instantaneous without an issue. So this device is amazing. This is probably one of my favorite Android devices to date. I do not regret purchasing this thing at all. I'm waiting to see what the future updates bring and what kind of additional features we get on it as well. This is the OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this device, feel free to drop them down in the comments below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. As always, have a great day.